Hello everyone, welcome back. In this episode, we talk about a common issue encountered during PCB design checks, how to handle hot-core spacing errors. During PCB design, if the distance between two cores is smaller than the minimum spacing defined in the design rules, the software will report an error in the DRC. However, in some cases, this warning may not affect actual PCB manufacturing, and you may choose to adjust the rule accordingly. Let's look at the first solution. You can click directly on the error message, and in the pop-up window, locate hot core distance. Then modify the value based on your design requirements if you confirm that this design will not affect manufacturing, and the same situation appears multiple times in your design, or you simply want to avoid such warning in advance. You can adjust the DRC rule settings. Go to the Design menu and select Check DRC Custom. Then find hot core distance in the rule list and uncheck the option. With this method, you can flexibly resolve hot core spacing errors during PCB design. That's all for this episode. If you encounter other issues during PCB design, feel free to follow along, and we'll see you in the next video.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.